Hi guys, so I thought that I would pop in and on a video, there's my daughter, and say hi and just give some updates real quick. Inside the free group Soul Support for the Heart-Centered Goddess, tomorrow, which is May 27th.
Ducks. What my ducks?
There's your ducks. On May 27th at 2 p.m., we are going to hold a circle of light. So we're going to be meeting energetically and we're going to send love, light, prayers, Reiki, whatever it is that you want to do towards the situation and people in Texas right now. While us doing this is not going to change anything, it is hopefully going to provide some type of relief and support and healing. So I feel like it's still important to do. Do you want to go play with your duckies over there on the desk? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And secondly, on June 1st, which is a Wednesday, we are also meeting inside Soul Support for the Heart-Centered Goddess. And we are discussing the #1 mistake in self-sabotage to the intuition. That was loud. I have no idea what she's doing behind me, but let's hope for the best. That is a free live video that's just going to be inside the group, so you can join and post your questions while I'm live. And then I've also wanted to make sure that everybody saw I went live and did live Reiki today inside that group as well. And I made an announcement that I've been kind of mulling over for the last few weeks. I feel like the time has come to stop teaching Reiki in person. So that will probably happen in 2022. Meaning 2023, I probably will no longer be teaching Reiki in person, Usui Reiki. I am moving towards other things like intuition, Karuna Reiki, Holy Fire Reiki, all sorts of other types of classes that I want to do in person. So Reiki is going to probably transition into more of an online class that you could purchase and watch the videos and go through it yourself, and you'll be attuned at a distance. So if you want to do Reiki, you need to sign up for it on June 14th, which is a Tuesday. Making sure of that date. Yeah, June 14th, which is a Tuesday, 9 to 3:30 or 4 Eastern Standard Time. You can do that on Zoom. You don't have to be in person. This is the first one that I've offered a hybrid option, and I cap it at 8. I've already got one person signed up, and I've got more interest than I do spots. So if you're interested, I would really encourage you to go ahead and sign up and do that now so that you can secure a live Reiki class. I know that I'll probably hold one more in fall. After that, I don't know exactly what I'm going to offer, but I think it really will just be all online. And then secondly, the other announcement, June 22nd, is Excavate Your Intuition. That's a new class that I'm offering from 9 a.m., she caught it, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And that one also is a hybrid. So you have in-person or Zoom, whatever you want to choose. If you choose Zoom, you'll want to click the add-on option to have your manual mailed to you. Same for Reiki 1. And the Excavate Your Intuition is $155. It includes a written manual, and it's all about the different clairsenses. So clairvoyance, claircognizant, all these things. And you'll figure out which one you are, which one most resonates with you. You're also going to find what works best as far as tips, tools, techniques to help develop your intuition. And really what that leads to is hearing your higher self, but also your spirit guides. So think of this class as a roadmap to that final destination of hearing your intuition and your spirit guides. It is not going to work immediately that day of. If you're walking into class and expecting that you're going to hear your spirit guides, you're not. It takes time, dedication. I'm giving you the entire how-to process in this class, and you can have me for questions that day when they pop up, when you read through all the material, when we do some of these exercises together. So yeah, that's great too. I only have 10 spots left for that, and it's $155, and then Reiki 1 is $200. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them, and of course, yeah, she's standing on the chair. You're welcome to join our group, Soul Support for the Heart-Centered Goddess and God. I am glad that she found the bell as I'm wrapping up this video. Want to say bye?
Bye. Oh.